Hi, my name is Michael, and I am a rising senior at Regis High School, and this is my actual final video for my project. I was able to actually make some more modifications with the time I had left, so I just decided to make another video to showcase them all. So the latest additions are a Teflon case and also a servo with a laser diode attached to the end of it to actually be able to aim the laser diode just like a laser pointer as I'm moving the tank. So overall, this project, the RC Robot Tank, essentially the way it works is that there's an Arduino microcontroller with a motor shield attached to it, and both are powered by a 7.4 volt battery. And essentially, the shield is able to actually control the direction and also the speed of two DC motors, which are parts to a double gearbox that turn the two tracks of the tank. So essentially, I was also able to connect PlayStation 2 controller to actually be able to control the tank and move it as I please. So just to demonstrate the way this works, I can press the 4 directional pads to move the tank forward, backward, clockwise, or counterclockwise. In addition, I also added a second mode where I can actually control the speed much more slowly rather than just going forward all at once, and then also turn more accurately by just slowing one of the sides of the tracks instead of just having it turn in a circle. In addition, I was also able to add an autonomous mode using an ultrasonic sensor, which essentially bounces off ultrasonic waves off of an object in front of it and calculates the amount of time it takes back just to measure the distance an object is away. So just to demonstrate that. So here is a demo of the autonomous mode of my tank. So as you can see, it can actually detect when an object is in front of it, about 10 centimeters away. So in addition, I also added a mode where I can actually control a laser diode and slowly raise it upward just so that I can precisely aim it. And I can actually still move the tank while changing the laser angle. In addition, I also added a status LED, which you can kind of see over here, which actually indicates what mode you're in. So when it's just blinking, it's in the regular mode, and when it's in the analog stick mode, it's blinking twice per second. In addition, I also added a buzzer to act as a horn for the tank as well. So overall, I really enjoyed this project because it allowed me to make a lot of modifications to this and be very creative with how I wanted to complete this project. And I was also really interested in working with hardware because beforehand I really only knew coding and only knew software. So this was a good way to introduce me to more of the mechanical and electrical side of engineering because I'm able to use code to interact with the physical side of engineering. So in addition, overall Bluestamp has actually given me so much in that I've really learned a way to approach problems and challenges that I face. Probably the most challenging part was really just troubleshooting and dealing with each little tiny issue where the tank wasn't working exactly where I wanted it to. Sometimes the controls wouldn't connect, and sometimes power would have been an issue in certain cases, and I had to get a new battery. And just overall, the way I can now look at problems and deal with them and complete further future projects in this manner is really what Bluestamp has given me. So thank you so much for watching.